Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have discussed about atoms. Today, we will discuss the how atoms can exist or about molecules. So let's start. Children, atoms of very few elements. They are noble gases or inert gases called. They can exist independently or in free state because noble gases are chemically unreactive, while atoms of most elements can exist in the combined state because these atoms are chemically very reactive. So they combine together and exist in two forms. These two forms are in the form of molecules or in the form of ions. What is molecule? Molecule represent a group of two or more atoms of same and different elements combined together by strong attractive forces. Examples of molecules. Examples of molecules are H2N2, Cl2, H2O, CO2. These all are the examples of molecules. So, there are two types of molecules. They are molecules of elements and second is molecules of compounds. What is molecules of elements? Molecules of elements are formed when two or more atoms of same element combine together by attractive forces. For example, molecule of hydrogen H2, molecule of nitrogen N2, molecule of chlorine Cl2, molecule of oxygen in the form of ozone O3 and oxygen is O2. They are very reactive, so they do not exist in free state. They combine together and become stable and exist in the form of molecules. P4 is used for the representation of molecule of phosphorus and S8 is the molecule of sulfur. Students, the number of atoms present in the molecule of element is called its atomicity. For example, in hydrogen H2, there are two atoms of hydrogen combined together by the attractive forces. When two hydrogen atoms combine, they form H2. Two chlorine atoms combined to form Cl2. Similarly, four phosphorus atoms combine, they form P4, one molecule of phosphorus, and one molecule of phosphorus contains how many atoms? There are 4 atoms in phosphorus. Similarly, in case of sulfur, it contains 8 atoms. So, in one molecule of sulfur contains 8 atoms of sulfur. These atoms present in the molecule, they are called its atomicity. It means atomicity of sulfur is 8. Atomicity of phosphorus is 4. Atomicity of ozone is 3. Atomicity of chlorine is 2. Second type of molecule is molecule of compound. Molecule of compound is formed when two or more atoms of different elements combine together by attractive forces. For example, molecule of water. This is one molecule of water. One molecule of carbon dioxide. CH4 represent one molecule of methane. NH3, one molecule of ammonia. In case of water, one molecule H2O represent one molecule of water in which two hydrogen atoms combined with one oxygen atom. This is oxygen atom, these two are the hydrogen atoms. So, two hydrogen atoms when combined with one oxygen atom to form one molecule of water. Similarly, in case of carbon dioxide, two oxygen atoms combined with one carbon to form carbon dioxide. In ammonia, 3 hydrogen atoms combined with one nitrogen atom to form NH3, one molecule of ammonia. Then we find out atomicity of these molecules. Atomicity of water is 2 and 1, 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So its atomicity is 3. Atomicity of carbon dioxide is also 3. Atomicity of methane is 4 and 1, 5, because 5 atoms are present. In case of ammonia, atomicity is 3 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of nitrogen, that is 4. Students, these molecule of elements and molecule of compounds are represented in the term of symbol. In these symbols, it includes the number of atoms and symbol of elements involved in the molecules, and these symbols are called chemical formula of molecules. So, chemical formula of element and chemical formula of compound, both. Example of chemical formula of element is H2, Cl2, N2, O3, etc. These are the formula of hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen and ozone respectively. Similarly, in case of molecules of compound, formula of water is H2O, formula of carbon dioxide is CO2, formula of methane is CH4, formula of ammonia is NH3. So these are the symbols which we use for the representation of molecules of compounds. Children, next we will discuss molecular mass. Thank you.